Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Wi-Fi issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. If there are first solution is not working, their second solution, you have disable Wi-Fi networking service. So then you have click on setting, click on Wi-Fi. So then you have disconnect, and then you have wait a few seconds, then you have reconnect the Wi-Fi device or network on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have reset the network settings. So you have open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone. So then you have click on reset network setting, iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting on your iPhone. Then another solution, you have disable the VPN. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on VPN and device management. So then you have click on VPN. So then disconnect from here. I have already disconnect. Then the solution, you have reset factory setting on your device. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, click on transfer or reset. So then you have click on erase all content and setting. So then you have copy the iPhone memory. So any other device, USB or any other device, so you have will be copy, you have rest this iPhone file. So then last solution, you have update iOS latest version on your iPhone. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, click on software update iOS latest version available on your iPhone. So you have must be installed on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.